Hello, I'm Param Singh. Hope you guys are doing well. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how to design functions that can take a default argument. What that means is if no argument for a certain parameter is provided, then a default value will be assumed and the function will be run with that argument. And if an argument is provided, then that particular value of the argument will be used. Let's motivate that concept with a simple example. So we have designed this function. It produces a personalized greeting given the name. When a name is given, it produces a string called hello, comma space, and then there is a name. I have written additional test here. Our original test was if I say greet.greet elixir, it should produce hello elixir. But the new requirement is if I give it a second argument, in this case we are saying hi, it should give us a new greeting with the custom prefix that the user has provided as the second argument. So right now if I run mix test, it's going to fail with undefined function error because we are using a greet2 function here, meaning a greet function that can take two arguments, and right now we only have a function greet with arity of 0 and 1, meaning the top one does not take any argument and then the second one does take a single argument. So we are going to convert this function into a two argument flexible function where if a user does not provide the value of the second argument, it should say hello person's name, and if the second argument is provided, that argument will be used to start the greeting. So what that means is we'll change the function signature by taking another string, right? And this is where we are going to provide it the default argument. So the way you provide a default argument is you write the argument name, we're going to call it prefix, space, double backslash, space, and then the value of the default argument. So right now we're going to say hello, and in the expression we are going to replace the static string hello with the prefix instead. So there we have it. So this is saying that if the user does not provide the value of prefix, we are going to use hello as the default value, and if they do, then we'll take that provided value and create our greeting. So let's quickly go back and we're going to run mix test and all our tests pass. So that's how you provide a default value for a single argument that you may have in your function design. Now in the next video, we are going to introduce the concept of keyword lists, which basically a list of tuple pairs where the first value of the tuple is the atom and second is any other value. And we are going to see and learn how the keyword lists can be used in function design to provide multiple default arguments. So more than one default arguments are needed, and in that case we are going to rely on keyword list. So that's what we'll study in the next video.